Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your outdoor patio into a cozy winter paradise that you'll never want to leave. And it's totally achievable with these 6 simple tips. First up, layer those outdoor accessories. Plush cushions, weather-resistant blankets, and deep pile outdoor rugs aren't just gorgeous, they're your first defense against the cold. But now we need to talk about bringing the heat. A quality patio heater is your best friend here. Pro tip, create overlapping zones of warmth by strategically placing multiple heaters. Trust me, it's a game changer. And since we're talking about warmth, lighting is crucial for creating that warm ambiance. String lights overhead, lanterns on tables, it's not just about seeing, it's about developing that magical winter atmosphere that just makes you feel warmer. Also, nothing beats gathering around a fire pit. It's the heart of any winter patio and the perfect spot for those memorable moments with family and friends. Don't let wind ruin your cozy setup. Adding stylish privacy screens or weather-resistant curtains will keep that warmth right where you want it. And finally, create a warm beverage station. It's that extra touch that turns your patio into everyone's favorite winter hangout spot. For a deeper dive into all these winter patio tips, check out our blog link in the description below. And if you're ready to create your perfect winter patio, visit us at patioproductions.com for everything you need to make it happen. Your cozy winter evenings are only a few simple steps away. Let's bring the cozy life outdoors.